Three Nigerian nationals and a live Ghanaian taxi driver bury him inside the bush and later tried to flee with his car.
Nigeria phobia, Momo taxi driver being go pram. You go where be more Nigerians must go. Nigerians must go.
So this Igbo king, they never finish in matter, and some Nigerians have the right to go buy person taxi driver because they want thief. They not even just thief in car, they buy them, then carry in car. Hey! These people want kill us for this Ghana. I can't just wait to hear their names. I can't just wait to hear their names. That's what I'm very much interested in right now. So you guys not even care how the family of this guy will feel. You don't care. You just buy him. So the guy is not human being. He's not a human. Or he doesn't have family. Now you like money. As you like money, why can't you hustle? Why can't you go the right way and hustle and do the right thing to get money so you can be able to get yourself car? But you want easy, quick money, your hand big. You want carry that hand, they buy people so you can take what belongs to them. It will not work. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. So today I'm here with a video. Okay, this video was being sent to me by one of you guys, one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for making me check this video out. So guys, I brought this here so we can check it together and share our thoughts. I don't know, maybe most of you must have seen the news already, because I think it's already circulating around the internet. Yeah, so just in case you've not seen the video, then you are at the right place. Let's get right into it. 3 Nigerians nationals killed Ghanaian taxi driver, bury him inside the bush and later tried to flee with his car. Yes, you heard me right. You heard me right. I'm not reading it from my head, but I'm reading it from my phone. Yes, as you can see, I'm not the one that formulated this. It happened. The news went further saying, according to the police sources and eyewitness account, Patrick, a well-known taxi driver based in Pram Pram, picked up these 3 Nigerian men who requested a long-distance trip to Aflao, a border town in the Volta region. For those of you who do not know Aflao, Aflao is the border. Yes, it's in the border between Togo and Ghana, right? Okay, let's continue. The journey, which seems routine, turned tragic near Doze. I don't know, where is Doze? Is it a name of a town or a person? Well, I do not know. If you know, let me know in the comment section, because this name sounds like an Igbo name. I will not be surprised if these niggas are Igbo though. Let's keep reading, guys. Where Patrick was murdered. Okay, I think it's a name of a place, because they said Doze, where Patrick was murdered. So I think that's the exact place where the taxi driver was murdered. Their plans, however, was failed thanks to the vigilance of officers at the regional security checkpoint. One of the suspects who was driving the stolen car was stopped and arrested by police personnel. NB. The distrust of Nigerians by some Ghanaians isn't out of hatred. It stems from repeated acts of cruelty some of these criminals from Nigeria met out to Ghanaians. I agree with you, sir. So right here, I'm going to put in the picture of the person so you guys can see very well. Maybe, I don't even know what to say about this, seriously. This is really sad. We are not done with one, and some set of people, they are on another one. I don't know what's up with these Nigerians, so they don't get fear at all. So this Igbo king, they never finish in matter, and some Nigerians have the right to go buy person taxi driver because they want thief. They don't even just thief in car, they buy them, then carry in car. Hey! These people want kill us for this Ghana. What do we do now? Please tell me, what do we do now? And I will not be surprised. What I'm waiting to hear right now is the names of these people. Names of these people. Saliva is even coming out of my mouth. Names of these people, that's what I want to hear. Because I will not be surprised if they are Igbo. Yes, I will not be surprised if they are Igbo because of love of money. They like to put their hands in some kind of things. Now by force, say, you must get money. If you think that you go carry waiting to do for Nigeria, can't do it for Ghana. Lie. We no go allow una come here, come make us live uncomfortable in Ghana. Never. Because that thing wey dey happen for Nigeria, we are running away from it, coming to Nigeria, coming to Ghana. You guys are following us with that dirty act. Please, I beg. Please, I beg. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Nigerians, those Nigerians doing bad things in Ghana, I beg una in the name of God. I beg una, put a stop to it. I'm begging you in the name of God, put a stop to it. Because this is getting out of hand. We are not done with one thing, and you guys are already executing another one. You guys are already executing another one. Where do you want us to go to? Tell me, as we run come Ghana. Because we want to have peace of mind. Una carry una self come here again. What kind of problem is this? What kind of problem is this? What kind of problem is this? Why are you doing this to us now? Why can't you leave us in peace? Why can't you leave us in peace? Why? Is it that you guys are cursed or something? I can't just wait to hear their names. I can't just wait to hear their names. That's what I'm very much interested in right now. So you guys not even care how the family of this guy will feel. You don't care. You just buy him. So the guy is not human being. He's not a human. Or he doesn't have family. Now you like money. As you like money, why can't you hustle? Why can't you go the right way and hustle and do the right thing to get money so you can be able to get yourself car? But you want easy, quick money, your hand big. You want carry that hand, they buy people so you can take what belongs to them. It will not work. It will not work again. Petitions has been going up and down like around Ghana. They want to sack us. They want to sack us out of Ghana. But you guys are not even using your head. Una know they use una head. Later, una go come, they talk, say, una get sense, but you don't get anything. Now, margina there inside your head. You know what margina means? Now, kata there inside your head. Because I don't see the reason why they're not done with one. You are already executing another one. Stop pushing Ghanaians to the wall. Stop pushing them to the wall. At least allow these people to have peace of mind for once. Allow them. Allow them. Thank God. God exposed them. If not, now so they don't go see this man again. And they will start thinking maybe he got kidnapped, or they will just forget about him like that. Thank God. God opened una yansh. And this is what we want to be seeing. When someone is found wanting, the law should take action and deal with the person accordingly. Igbo King, how far now? I bet you talk, say you are the one in charge of Nigerians and Igbo people here in Ghana. Let me not say in charge. You are the one. You are here representing them in case if they need something or if they are in trouble, you go and vindicate them. All right. Look at what's happened to these Nigerians now. So what are you going to do about it, sir? Sir, hello, sir. What are you going to do about these people as they pie this man? Are you going to go and take them out of the prison? Because for sure, they are going to rot in jail. I can't just wait to hear where these people are coming from. I beg, those people that will interview these guys, they should ask them where they're from, because it's high time for us to start differentiating people in Nigeria. One thing I want you guys to know is that we have 3 ethnicities in Nigeria. We have the Hausa, Igbo, and the Yoruba. See, the way we are, that's how we different. That's how we think differently. Hausa people think differently, Yoruba people think differently, and Igbo people think differently also. Yeah. Put it in the back of your mind. Not be every Nigeria bad. And even among the Igbos and other tribes, we have bad and good people. Just like Ghana, everybody is not perfect. We have good and the bad. But it's just that majority of you guys in Ghana are good people because you are being trained well. It's not that we are not being trained well. We are being trained well. But quick, we want money. We want to make money quick. There are some parents that do not give their children home training. They don't give them better home training. Can you imagine in some part of Nigeria, do you know, it's their parents that are sending them go and do yahoo because they are taking it to be a job. This person picking make them for yahoo. You go carry your daughter or your son, send them, say go learn work from this person as if na office job. They do it for Nigeria. If una no Ghanaians, I tell una today. I just want to use this medium to apologize. Please, I will never stop apologizing to you guys. Ghanaians, please forgive us. Please forgive us, okay? Forgive us, as body of Christ said, we should forgive one another 70 times 7. Forgive us, I beg. Forgive us, especially the good Ghanaians. Especially the good Nigerians. Please, I beg. Please, forgive us. Forgive us. We are bleeding. We are not in support of all these things happening. We are not in support at all. I beg, forgive us. Forgive us. We pray that God will keep bringing them out one by one. Yes, because you guys have to see the difference. We have good Nigerians, okay? And I know you are very much aware that we have good Nigerians. Please forgive us. Forgive us, I beg. But this is really sad. And to the family of this taxi driver, I don't even know what to say. I can imagine what they are going through right now, the trauma, the pain. Who knows, maybe he's the breadwinner of his family. You don't know what this person went through to get this car. All you care is to just buy him and take the car. Human beings. You guys are wicked. You guys are wicked. Maybe you guys have not, you don't know the pain of losing someone. That's the reason why you can kill. Why would you do that? I'm getting so emotional, guys. I think I'm going to end this video now. And I'm so sorry. I don't just want to. I'm so sorry.
Nigeria phobia mo Nigeria phobia mo ku taxi driver bin e won go pram go wa bi mo me say Nigerians must go. Can you boys Nigeria phobia and Ghana police for achi mu nyina Nigeria phobia and no mo fa taxi driver bi e pram your friend no Patrick Tete the guy name Shaka no mo fa the dropping e pram eso when ne kwa afra o voter region when ne kwa afra this of me is a tell mo do mo ko omutu wura bi mu no na mo to share no so mo ri tuo this kind e chap one akunu e na to wura mu na mo fa car no so mo ri dwane mo fa car no mo ri dwane o any say police for track ya it ma kwa cho me say nyina ye kukumponi ni e be swa we na ka mo 50 acres of land so mo fanya kingdom mo kingdom so hey we mo ntro na mo fa ne manja bro ata say ni go no so mo do so ka o mo do so there are plenty over there. What I want to know from the money, or my Thomas or mesh Pasifra, also much as a Montomo Reba, but I want to know from the Maniago. They have nothing good to do in this country. Anytime you're betting with DBR, ne either say kidnapping, killing, robbing, because I say,
first of all, I just saw this news and I decided to share it with you guys. Well, don't take me out of context. It's just a news that I'm bringing. Sad. 3 Nigerian nationals and a live Ghanaian taxi driver buried him inside the bush and later tried to flee with his car. According to police sources and eyewitnesses' account, Patrick, a well-known taxi driver based in Pram, picked up these 3 Nigerian men who requested a long-distance trip to Aflau, a border town in the Volta region. The journey, which seemed routine, turned tragic near Juja, where Patrick was unalived. Their plan, however, was foiled thanks to a vigilance of officers at a regional security checkpoint. One of the suspects who was driving the stolen car was stopped and arrested by the police personnel. And then later, they will come and tell you Ghana and Nigeria are brothers and sisters. Meanwhile, 2 borders are dividing us. If you're in somebody's country doing this barbaric thing, how do you expect them to be warm towards you? Why won't Dubai be very strict on some nationals? You know, somebody wake up, told his wife and his parents that I'm going to work, just for him to be unalived by 3 people from another country. Well, to be fair, there are still some good Nigerians in this country, but these bad ones will give a bad name to the ones that genuinely came here to hustle.
So guys, let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys. Bye.